Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to go ahead and share your telegram how to go ahead and share your screen on Telegram. So if you're actually new to the YouTube channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. So as you can see right here on my screen, I'm on Telegram, and yeah, I opened it has one of my Telegram group. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and share your screen with everyone on your Telegram group. It's very easy. So the first thing you want to do basically is to tap on this icon that looks like chat. It looks like chat icon right, so right here. So once you click on it, it's going to show you all this, and it's going to show you which accounts do you want to use to start this video chat. So I'm gonna click on it, and it's going to show me this. As you can see, it's going to show me this. Then the next thing I want to do is tap on this three icon right here and click on share screen. So once I click on share screen, it's going to show me this information that has to do with selecting my screen. So basically I have two. I'm using it. I have two screen basically. I have screen one and screen two. Screen one is what you're actually seeing right now, and screen two is what I'm actually recording with. So screen two is actually my vmix. I'm recording with vmix. So I'm gonna click on screen one, click on share. So as you can see, I'm sharing my screen right now on my Telegram channel, or sorry, my Telegram group. And as I'm talking right now, people can actually see, they can actually see this, they can see what I'm actually doing. So that's just it guys on how to go ahead and share your screen on Telegram. It's very easy guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do enjoy this video guys, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, and also don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching guys.